Hello children, welcome to a social science video. Children, as you all know, completed with the explanation part of the syllabus and writing work of the syllabus. That means we have completed till 10. Okay, so this is the first revision video of your social science. So today we are going to do the revision for the chapter number 9. As we all know that in exam you all will be having from chapter 9 syllabus. We are starting today with the revision of chapter number 9. So let me remind you, in chapter number 9 we have seen about festival. Festival, a festival is a day when people celebrate an important or joyous event, right? This is the definition of festival. If I ask you definition of festival, so festival is a day when people celebrate an important or joyous event. Okay, then next is about Dashera. Why we celebrate Dashera? Dashera is celebrated to mark Lord victory over Ram. Okay, so don't get confused between why we celebrate Diwali and why we celebrate Dashera. Dashera we celebrate for Lord Rama's victory over Ravana, that is victory of good over evil, and Diwali we celebrate because Lord Ram returned to the Ayodhya after the 14 years of exile. Okay, next is about Guru Nanak Jayanti. Children, Guru Purab is also known as Guru Nanak Jayanti. Remember, it can be asked as fill in the blanks. Dash is also known as Guru Nanak Jayanti. So Guru Nanak Guru Purab is also known as Guru Nanak Jayanti. Next, we have seen about Eid ul Fitr. Children, I asked you this in last exam that what the long month fasting is known as. So that is known as Ramadan. Okay, this whole month is known as Ramadan in English, and in Hindi we call it as Ramzan. But many of you have written Eid ul Fitr. So it is not Eid ul Fitr that we celebrate for, because of the Eid ul Fitr is a festival that we celebrate, and how we celebrate by having the fast of one long month, and that month is called as Ramadan. Next, we all know that Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year to mark birth of Jesus Christ. Yes, for Jesus Christ to celebrate Christmas on 25th December. Then there was harvesting festival about Pongal. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu in January, and Baisakhi is the mark of beginning of Sikh New Year. So dash is the beginning of Sikh New Year, that is known as Baisakhi. Okay. Let's go ahead with the National Festival of India. There are 3 national festivals. See, that also I ask you in exam that write the names of National Festival of India. Many of you have written Christmas, Diwali, Dashera, but that is not national festival. National festival means all over India people celebrate this festival, whether they are Hindu, Muslim, Christian, right? So which are such festivals? Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, Gandhi Jayanti for Mahatma Gandhi is also known as father of our nation. So who is our father of nation? Mahatma Gandhi. And on Republic Day, parade is held at Rajpath in Delhi. And Independence Day, how we celebrate that? Prime Minister of India unfurls the national flag and address the people of India. Next, in this chapter we have seen about different dances of India. So there are 2 main types of dances, classical dance and folk dance. Which are the classical dance example? Kathak, Odissi, Manipuri, Kuchipudi, Mohiniyattam, Bharatnatyam. These are the classical dance. And which are the folk dance? Bhangra, Gidda, Garba, Dandiya, Ghumar, Lavani, Chahu. These are the famous folk dances of India. Almost everybody has written this answer correctly in the last exam, but this is for the revision. So that's all we have seen in this chapter number 9, that is the different festivals of India. I hope you can easily revise this chapter with this help of video, and revise it again from the students book also. So children, prepare yourself very well according to the blueprint, and till the next video, please take care of yourself. Bye bye.